This video will show you how to extract a specific very short clip from a longer conversation, and it's based on a free version of Riverside. And what I need to do to get through to the Riverside's editing system is to click on the thumbnail of me and then go to the top right hand corner and click on the edit button, create a new edit, and there's one bit at around 8 minutes in which I want to extract now. So to get that part of the video, I'm going to click and drag on the playhead, and you'll see that Riverside is trying to catch up with me because I'm making the most spectacular expression. So I'm roughly at the point where I think the clip is going to start.
Because the richest conversations are shaped by my live broadcasting background.
So that's all I want. The little snippet says, the richest conversations are shaped by my live broadcasting background. So I'm roughly in the right area. What I want to do now is click my cursor on the start of the extract that I want to take. As I hover over the bit I've highlighted, you'll see that I've got options to add, correct or delete. And actually all I want to do is click on the three dots and create a new edit. So don't worry about any of the other options. If you're editing, that's all you need to do. And what happens when you click on that is Riverside automatically creates another editing project which just features the snippet that you have highlighted in the transcript, which corresponds to the same bit of video. Everything else has been deleted. Now, it hasn't been permanently deleted, it's just been deleted for this project. Don't worry, your original recording will still be in Riverside. And to reassure that I have got the right bit, I'm just going to play it.
The richest conversations are shaped by my live broadcasting background.
If I wanted to trim a little bit from the end, just to make the pause after I finish speaking slightly less long, I can go to the playhead, click on it and drag it, and as I do that, you'll notice that some of the lime green waveform is disappearing, and what it's doing is just trimming the edge of my answer. So let's see if that works any better. So I'm going to use the transcript again to go back to the beginning by putting my cursor right at the start of that sentence, and then I'm going to click on the video.
The richest conversations are shaped by my live broadcasting background.
And now you can see I've chopped off the end of the word background, and in fact if you go back and check the transcript, you will see that that word has now got a deleted line through it. So the moment I trimmed too much, it not only changed the waveform, it also struck that word off the transcript. So I need to go back and reinstate it by clicking and dragging on the playhead, and you can see as I reinstated it on the timeline, the word background came back. So let's go back to the beginning and check that everything is in order and I haven't inadvertently cut off another.
The richest conversations are shaped by my live broadcasting background.